Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign player in standard player list of eFootball 2024. So you can sign your favorite player in this feature. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the objectives or missions, and how you can challenge the event, how you can sign a contract for a player that you want, and many more. And let's get started. Tap your game plan first. Make sure you sign that player that you need. For example, right now I need a good goalkeeper. Because this Kevin Trapp, I will place him into the bench to become my second team player. Right now I need goalkeeper. So tap the contracts and this one, standard player list. Sign your favorite player. Tap it, and as you can see, the top player here is Kylian Mbappe and Erling Haaland, with most expensive one with four. With the 4,050 a GP here. And as I can, if you need that player, you have enough GP, you can sign Kylian Mbappe. But right now I need goalkeeper. Just tap filter, tap position and goalkeeper, done, and tap done. And as you can see, I do have 1020 GP. Just tap filter, tap price, so you can filter the price. This is enough. Done and done. And this is all the goalkeeper that I've already filtered. So please choose wisely. You see, or you can save your GP if you do not need this player. And please sign the player that you need for your team to make your team stronger than before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.